Today I am going to do an activity to prove hot air is lighter than cold air. Materials required: matchbox, candle, scissor and tape, thread and two paper cups. And we have to take two pieces of thread and we have to tie to the paper. This paper to prepare handle like this, and we have to keep the candle under the paper cup and we have to light the candle. After lighting the candle, we have to observe the paper cup. Af- See, the paper cup was raising up because the warm air was pushing the paper cup.